Getting started with Swift.
Swift is the programming language used to build apps for iOS, macOS, and more. Whether you're new to coding or already have experience, learning Swift opens doors to app development. In this video, we'll compare the top free and paid resources to help you master Swift and begin your journey in building iOS apps.
Free resources to learn Swift.
There are many free options to start learning Swift. Apple's official Swift Playgrounds app is interactive and beginner-friendly. The Swift.org website has comprehensive documentation. Platforms like Codecademy offer introductory courses, while YouTube channels such as Sean Allen provide practical tutorials. These resources are excellent for self-paced learning without any upfront cost.
Top paid Swift courses and platforms.
For a more structured experience, consider paid resources like Udemy's iOS 16 and Swift UI courses, or Ray Wenderlich's tutorials. Subscription platforms like Coursera and LinkedIn Learning feature courses from reputable instructors and universities. Paid options often provide in-depth projects, personalized feedback, and certificates, making them appealing for those who prefer guided learning.
Comparing free versus paid options.
Both free and paid Swift resources have their strengths. Free resources offer flexibility and community support, making them ideal for self-motivated learners. Paid courses provide structure, mentorship, and access to exclusive materials. Your choice depends on your learning style, budget, and professional goals. Combining both types can often deliver the best results.
Building iOS apps with Swift.
After learning the basics, the next step is to build your own iOS apps. Free tutorials can help you create simple projects, while paid courses often guide you through more complex, real-world apps. Don't forget to explore Apple's official Develop in Swift curriculum for deeper insights. Consistent practice and project work are key to mastering Swift development.
Choosing the right path forward.
Whether you choose a free path, invest in paid courses, or blend both approaches, the best way to learn Swift is to start coding. Explore the available resources, pick one that fits your needs, and stay persistent. With the right tools and commitment, you can gain the skills to build your own iOS apps and grow your tech career.